Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Saucy in the kitchen, yeah, it's going down. Making mouthwater, saucy talk of the town. I know you're hungry, can't fight it, you will lose your breath. Quickie meals for your pleasure, here's another chef. Subscribe to the channel, Saucy, you be boss. Without further ado, I'm introducing Sauce.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Welcome to my Halloween food series. Today we're going to be making a ghost cake for Halloween. The ingredients that we're going to need today are a box of super moist French vanilla cake mix, 1 tub of vanilla icing. I also have black decorating icing. And we're going to be following the instructions on the back of the box. So we need 3 eggs, 1 cup of water, and 1/3 cup of vegetable oil. Okay, so in a bowl I'm going to add my 3 eggs to my cake mix. 1 cup of water and the 1/3 cup of vegetable oil. Next, with my hand mixer, I'm going to mix our batter on medium speed. Once your cake batter is mixed, we're going to set it to the side. Okay guys, so I have this cake pan in the shape of a ghost. So I'm going to do now is spray it with some non-stick cooking spray. Now we're going to pour in our batter. Now it's ready to go into our oven at 350 degrees for 27 minutes. Okay guys, so our cake is done baking. So we're going to let it cool for about 10 to 15 minutes before I remove it from the pan. Okay guys, now I put the cake onto a cooling rack. Now I'm going to let it cool off all the way. Okay guys, so now I'm going to begin to ice our cake with the vanilla icing. Okay guys, so here we have it, our ghost cake for Halloween. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back, please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. And until next time, this is Nana the Saucy Chef.